In this video, we're talking all about those old snap-on toolboxes you see at estate sales and whether they're worth the price, plus if you can relube and restore them to make them smooth as butter again. Honestly, when I spot those vintage snap-on boxes listed for like $400 or $500 at estate sales, my first thought is the sellers are kinda wild, right? They do move slow at that price because, resellers can't really flip them for much profit, and most folks aren't jumping at the chance unless it's loaded up with tools. I actually offered $600 for one, mainly because of the tools inside, and for me, that's where most of the value sits. If you're just after the box, don't stress if it looks a little crusty or the drawers feel sticky. These things are built like tanks. The good news is, you can totally relube those old slides and runners. Just pull out the drawers, clean off any old gunk with a degreaser, slap on some fresh grease or white lithium, and boom, they'll glide smoother than a brand new box under $1,000. A solid cleanup with some soapy water and a gentle scrub will get rid of decades of garage grime, and even if there's some rust, hit it with a wire brush and maybe a little rust converter spray. Swap out busted locks or handles with aftermarket parts. They're all over eBay if you want it looking slick. Sometimes I'll throw in some drawer liners too, just to make it feel like new and protect my tools. The trick is to not get hung up on every cosmetic flaw. These boxes are workhorses, not display cabinets. One of the biggest mistakes I see is folks paying top dollar just because it's snap-on, thinking that old equals valuable every single time. The reality is, condition matters way more than the badge, so always check for busted slides, missing parts, or gnarly rust before you buy. Another common issue is skipping out on a proper cleaning before lubing. If you just slap grease on top of old dirt, it's gonna jam up and feel sticky no matter what. Last thing, don't assume every estate sale price is set in stone. Most sellers expect you to haggle, especially if that box has been sitting for days without moving. Just be cool about it and point out any flaws to back up your offer. BigHomeProjects.com makes life way easier if you need a trusted local contractor to help move heavy toolboxes or even restore your garage setup. Seriously clutch for homeowners trying to save time and stress. And if you're a contractor looking for steady gigs, their platform helps you connect with real clients who actually need your skills and are ready to pay.